Lesson number 8, Useful and Harmful Microorganisms. In this video, we learn here harmful microorganisms, Chlorostridium and other microorganisms. Here you show there one diagram and there is showing there different types of microorganisms. Then you notice there in a rainy season there the leather articles and leather bags, then jute bags. Shows there someone as a white part of that bags and some articles. There is a showing someone as a greenish black parts. What is this greenish white and black parts of showing your jute bags and leather articles? Why the articles did not get spoiled during a summer or winter season? Because we have to give in their moist area, then it is a growth by their fastly. And you have to learn here there some microorganisms that harmful. You have to showing here microscopic spores of fungi are present in the air. So the air microscopic fungi are present in your different article. If there is a sufficient moisture, spores germinations on the cotton fiber, gum bags, leather, food atom, these are showing their different fungi are showing in a different article. Then fungal hyphates, that means these are showing like the fungi, otherwise it look like some fabric part. These are deep moist in your articles. So it is a look like someone as a fungi grown as the long time for a rainy season. Here you have to show there again there different types of fungi are present in their articles. Someone like this one, some fungi are showing there some as a rod shape, someone showing their uh, rod shape. Again, they shows there someone as a hairs are present, and these are showing their rounded shapes. These are the different types of fungi are present in your different articles. Then some fungi are grown on your food, some fungi are grown on your wood, like some fungi are shown in your edible parts that is showing here that the various species of the fungi grown on a food atom like here pickle, some here show there some fruit, vegetables, that is these are growing here. Then someone has a muramba, jam, sauce. These are showing look like this one. These are showing their different types of fungi, and these are used food, not using for their if the growing their fungi, then you cannot use this food particle. Then they are use the nutrient in the food atom for growing and reproduction of yourself. During this activity, the fungi release the mycotones, certain positions, chemicals, poisonous chemicals into the food, and thus this food you cannot use for their edible. These are growing on your some food parts, that is the look like fungi. This is your jute bag, gums, that is the you have to show in there different types of fungi. These are the one of the fungi, these are the one of the fungi. Then these fungi and bacteria growing someone as the edible parts, that is the Chlorostridium. That Chlorostridium is growing only the cooking food. These are showing look like this one. This is the one uh, eating food. You have to eat this food. That is the sometimes the occurs of the food poisoning occurs during the community functions. Then how it is a poisonous for them suddenly? Because the bacteria which spoil cooked food are called their Chlorostridium. Out of these Chlorostridium, the thousands of different species of the bacteria, some are living freely and some are living in a soil whenever some are live on the alimentary canals and human of the other animals. Human and other animals, these bacteria are radian shaped, rod shaped and produce the bottle shaped endospermic. These are look like the different types. In advanced conditions, one species characteristics of these bacteria of these are cannot withstand the normal oxygen level of the air because they are growing in anaerobic conditions, because it is showing as for their cooked oil, cooked parts. And some other than this bacteria, you have to learn here the other harmful microorganisms in your human beings. That microorganisms like bacteria, virus, protozoa, and fungi are responsible for the different diseases that affects the human beings. Then this is the one of the this cell, that is you have to say the leprosy. Then this is showing there, that is the disease of leprosy, that is the one type of the bacteria, and long-term contact with the infected person. These are giving their contact for their contact person. Then avoid the contact with the infected persons and their belongers. That means you have to contact that person. Then human being is giving their one bacteria, that is the giving their leprosy. Then here you have to say that another cell, that is the diagram. Here you have to say the hepatitis, that is the one type of virus that communicated with the water and food. When you have to use their contaminated food and water, these virus are coming to your body, and it is a give for your effect for your body. How to take the precautions to not kill your health? Then clean and uninfected water you have to use. Their proper storage food you have to eat. Then it is not coming for their human beings. Then another you have to see here, that is the one disease, that is say their ringworms. That means this is the another fungi, to show in your human beings. That is, it is you have to give their mode of infection, that is the contact with the infected persons, or uh, his or her beginning like a clothes. You have to wearing this clothes for the other person. Then these the infected fungi are come to your body. Then personal hygienics, avoid control with contact with their infected person. We have to give their precautions of their disease to transfer for one person to another person. Then here you have to see there another two images here, that is the malaria and dengue. You have to all knows that these two diseases are coming for their mosquitoes, but these are the different mosquitoes. Suppose you have to giving their suffering for their malaria, then this is path, this way to say there, that is the protozoa, that is it is showing that a protozoa, and the mosquito bite uncleaned surrounding. When the mosquito bite you in your uncleaned surrounding, that is showing that the protozoa. And then you have to give their precaution, that is the cleanness and surrounding precautions, standing water, that means you have to using water, it is a clean, and control mosquitoes for their particular area. And it is when you have to suffering for their dengue, that is the say their virus, that is the mosquito bites for their daytime, and it is a mosquito is coming their clearness and surrounding precautions, that is a moist area, that is the mosquito you have to control there. Then another here you have to see their cholera, that is the cholera is again one of the bacteria, that is the contaminated food and water. When you have to suffering, that is a cholera, then you have to eat some, that is the contaminated food and water, then you have to suffer for their cholera. Then how to give their precautions, that cholera you have to give their clean food and water. It is the give for the proper food, proper food and proper water, then you have to control their this disease of cholera. Here you have to show their one chart, and that chart you have to say there are different types of diseases and different types of their causes by their organisms, mode of transmission, controls, and you have to give their different types of precautions. Suppose you have to giving their rabies, then you have to give their rabies virus, then bite of the infected animal. Then you have to in no causes after their diseases develop. Then you have to give their control there. Then wash the wounds that where you bite their animals. Then you have to wash that particular place. Then antibodies forms forced to avoid the vaccines. Then a spot to give their cleanness. Then suppose you have to suffering there another disease. Then you have to give their that particular type of precautions, and this is the one of the different diseases given by the different bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. We have to infected their human beings as well as their other animals.